Yo, what is going on, YouTube? Shit. It's your boy Kip Trades back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over the trades from the 21st, which was Tuesday of this week. And we are in the month of October right now. Let's dive in. So on today, as you can see, we took 7 trades. Sorry, my head is all over the place. 2 winners and 5 losses. Really rough. Small loss, popped it off with a little small loss. This day in particular is really frustrating because we were up on the day twice and then ended up closing at our maximum daily drawdown. So super frustrating. A lot of money on commissions, just too many trades, but definitely went on tilt, just trying to have a really big day. You know how that goes. So lost almost everything that we won it back and then some, and then went on tilt and took 3 bad trades that pushed us down into our max daily drawdown for the day. Without further ado, let's go ahead and head over to those trades. So we can see the first trade that we took right here. Originally a great trade off of the supply, or off of the supply zone that was created here. Perfect bounce on the 1 minute close below the 13. Enter. Price goes into my favor, and then this green candle here ends up wicking me out. So I got stopped out of 2 positions. Oh, so I end up in, so it says 6 contracts because I entered 3 positions. Got into, I seen price was looking really good. Was feeling good about it after it closed below this 13. So we got in another contract. So now we're in 2 contracts. After it starts to push down, automatic break even got activated for these 2 contracts. Price pushes up, stops us out of those 2 contracts. Now we're only in 1 contract. Okay, so boom, now price is pushing down. Oh, you gone? All right, he's out of here, it looks like. So price is now consolidating slightly, and then once I see that we get start to get this momentum here, I re-enter 2 contracts to catch the rest of the move down. And works out perfectly. Ended up covering here at this resistance. I was satisfied with the gains, and yeah, that's really all it was to it. Price ended up reversing, but we were already out of the market. So I believe what happened was, when we move on to this loss, if you look at the times between this win right here, 9:07, and then this trade. So in my head, I'm like, okay, done for today. Got a nice win. I'm pretty sure I ended up getting on social media, or I was getting ready to post the post, and I was like, I wanted a bigger win. So seeing the market down here, entered 2 contracts on this one, on this loss, because I was like, I'm thinking the market is overextended. We left hella gaps to the upside. I'm thinking that we want to go back in and at least tap this zone. I'm thinking I'm about to scalp it up, scalp it back down. You know what I mean? That's what my head was. Very smart trading, right? Dumbass. But anyway, I'm thinking that we're going to get this candle. I thought it was going to be the close that I was looking for above 13, and premature on that. Like, how you premature on the 1 minute chart, dude? Like, that's how you know I was already in the wrong mindset. Come on, man. But anyway, because I know Onyx agrees. He says, yeah, right. Fucking dumbass. But anyway, so market didn't close at that above the 13. Ended up getting pushed down. Ended up closing after. I felt like I had gave it some room. After I seen this close, I was like, oh, this is hot. You know what I mean? So we closed out there and ended up taking a $319 loss. So you can imagine, I'm like, fuck. I won. Now I'm only up maybe like 20 something bucks or whatever. You know, I'm not good at quick math. Then we ended up finally getting the 13 close. Still, like I said, trying to catch the move up into this zone right here. Yeah, got the 13 moving average close. Caught my 1-to-1. Ended up getting out. I took 4 contracts right here. So yeah, you can see I did end up closing these 3 contracts. Boom. Yeah, so we closed 3 contracts here, and then left 1 running. Thinking we're gonna get that push up. Never got the push up. 50 moving average, probably was not going to have it anyway. And then I ended up getting stopped out. So for whatever reason, I was like, nah, fuck it. You're going to stop out my one contract. I'm going to get it back. And yeah, just come on, man. As you can see, like all this consolidation right here is what we end up getting caught up in. Taking dumb trades, stopping myself out. Death by 1,000 paper cuts, man. Basically. Dude, just trying to catch that bounce up. I was so bitter about that one contract. Yeah, so boom, even here. Took a buy, stopped out, and then the last one is where we finally hit our max daily drawdown. Took a buy, couldn't even hold anything. Basically, stopped out on the same candle on this one's because I entered 4 contracts again. I didn't even know that. Yeah, your boy was on tilt. That's crazy. That's crazy work. So yeah, that was today. That was the 21st. And yeah, what a day it was. But yeah, I'm gonna keep these videos pretty short. I know you guys probably have things to do. I don't want them to be super long, but if you're enjoying this style of content, you want me to find a way to extend them out, I definitely will. I can cover multiple days in one video if you want. Let me know. We can get some conversations going down in the comments, but you already know what it is, man. Until next time, enjoy your day, evening, night, morning, whatever time it is. Find something to be grateful for. Just give a little bit of gratitude. And y'all be blessed until next time. Peace.